Right, let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone 12 mini. This is an interesting one. I didn't expect to be buying this, but here it is. Alright, let's. I'm dying to get this plastic off, so let's go ahead and do it. Right, here we go. Woohoo! Oh, that's a cool color. It's so tiny. Look at it. And of course, in the box, you get your SIM ejection tool, books, plug them in, file them, and a little baby Apple sticker. No charger though. You get USB-C to Lightning cable. Also, little Easter egg. Looks like an iPod. That's a nice little throwback. I mean, now that we've got this, before I take off the plastic, let's do a little size comparison. So this is an iPod 4th gen, I believe, just before the photo. So that's what the size difference is. There's an iPod Classic 7th gen. They're almost the same width. And I don't want to put it up against because this one is scratched to all hell. Almost the same width. Here is, I don't really have any other small phones, which is annoying. Oh. Almost cracked my S10. Here's an S10. Little bit bigger. Just a bit. iPhone XS Max. Green, almost matching, but not quite. Which green do you like better? This one's the D brand green. This one is Apple's pastel green. I think the green on the iPhone 11 was a little bit more present as well. Here is a Galaxy Note 10. Quite a lot bigger. Just a wee bit. And lastly, the big boy, iPhone XS Max. I don't want to put them all side by side and scratch my screen because I don't have a screen protector on this one. Look at how the camera difference is quite significant. You can see there. Anywho. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That's really nice. I love the feel of that. Like, I can just grip it, you know? Unlike the big boy. So let's power this up. So you're wondering, why did I buy a mini iPhone? I kind of wanted to see what the difference is between if you were to buy a big one. What do you miss? Like, what are the actual like differences apart from the size and the battery life and that? Or I suppose battery life is part of it. Apart from the physical size, what do you get when you use this iPhone compared to the bigger one? I already got the passcode wrong because it's so small. But it's a nice phone to hold. It's just the boxy feel, it just feels better compared to this one where it's just huge. I can't even fit my hands around it. I usually think the best indicator of like if you can hold a phone is if you can grip it, and I can barely do that with this. Whereas with the old XS Max or the old 11s, I could do that just fine. Can barely touch the tip. So I think this was the perfect size phone for me. This one's just a wee bit too big, but I do like the bigger phones anyways. But I thought I would try something different for a little bit at least, and grab the smaller phone.